5 computer tips and tricks. No. 5. To take a screenshot on your computer. Press the Windows key plus the Alt key, then press the down arrow key. This will take a screenshot of your entire desktop. But if you just want to take a screenshot of a window, do this. Press the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the B key, and then release them in that order. This will take a screenshot of the active window, and it will automatically be saved to your desktop. Number 4. To quickly access your saved passwords on any website, go to the Start menu, then type in Chrome Password Manager, then hit Enter, and this will open up a window with all of your saved passwords. 3. To quickly change the color of your computer screen, right-click on your desktop, then go to Display Settings, then select a color profile. You can choose from a variety of colors, including black and white. 2. If your computer is running slow, press the Windows key plus the I key, then select System, then select Advanced System Settings. In here, select the Advanced tab, then select Settings. And in this window, make sure that the number of startup items is set to maximum. And finally, number 1, to stop your computer from going to sleep, press the Windows key plus the A key, then select your power plan, then select Change Plan Settings. And in here, change the sleep setting to Never.